Hello, good morning, students. The next lesson of our textbook is the coal and petroleum. The coal and petroleum. And we are fully aware about coal and petroleum. Before starting study about coal and petroleum, we will we will know what are the resources. What are the resources? Now, resources, the definition of resources is those living or non living objects. Those living and non living objects which are useful for human being directly or indirectly are called resources. I repeat, those objects or things which are useful for human being directly or indirectly are called resources. So you can see there are so many resources found in nature. Everything is resources like wood, like tree, like animals, like minerals, like air. Everything is being used by human. So these are all resources. Resources are of two types. There are two types of resources. First is natural and second is artificial. Natural resources are those which we obtain directly from nature, and artificial or synthetic resources are those which are made by human being in laboratories. So in this chapter, firstly you should aware about the definition of resources. I will ask it. Now, resources can be classified into two groups. We can say that there are two type of resources on the basis of availability of the resources. I want to say that there are two type of resources. Resources are two type. First is inexhaustible resources and second is exhaustible resources. So, if somebody asks to you how many type of resources, first answer will resources are of two type, natural or artificial, and second classification is on the basis of availability of resources that are inexhaustible or exhaustible resources. Now we come on the definition of inexhaustible reaction resources. This type of resources are present in unlimited quantity in nature. It means this type of resources are unlimited and they never get completely end and they never get exhausted by human activities, just like air, sunlight. We can see that sunlight is in limitless quantity and it can never be fully consumed, and air is also such type of resources. So these resources are unlimited in quantity. Now second is X house table resources. These type of resources are limited in nature and can be exhausted by human activities, just like coal and petroleum. Exhaustible resources are in limited quantity, and by the consuming they can be come to end. This type examples are this type of resources are coal and petroleum.